Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In today's tutorial we're going to talk about how to install Visual Studio Code and Java, the newest version. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you are on the right site. So make sure the Visual Studio Code is blue and the name of the site is code.visualstudio.com. So that's the link. Basically, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click download for Windows. I already downloaded the two files we have to download, so I'm going to cancel them. So basically, this is the installation. VS Code user setup is for 64 1.85.2.x. So after that, after we have it downloaded, we are going to go to Java and getting started. Click install the coding pack for Java, and we are going to download that also, which is very important. I'm going to cancel it since I have it downloaded. After that, you are going to get these two files. The first one is Java coding pack and the second one is VS Code user setup. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to install Visual Studio Code. Go with I accept the agreement, next, create a desktop icon, next, and just click install. So after we download and install Microsoft Visual Studio Code, you are going to get to this window here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna untick launch Visual Studio Code and click finish. After that, we are going to click Java coding pack and we are going to install that also. So just click I accept the terms in the license agreement, go next, and just click install. So after it installs, you're gonna get the completing the setup wizard and launch Visual Studio Code. Just click finish, don't touch anything else, and we are going to get launched into Visual Studio Code. So the first thing we're gonna do before we make our first project is we're gonna go to CMD. We're gonna type Java version. Click enter. So as you can see, the Java version installed, the 16.0.2. Click X, and after that we are going to make our first file. Go to new file here and just click new Java file, project manager for Java. And voila, what we've done is we have made the first Java file. So I'm going to paste a little code that I found on the internet just so we can see if it even works. Just click run and debug, run and debug, click save, yes, and as you can see it printed hello Java, which also means hello Java, which also means that we have done it. It works. Thank you for today's video. Bye.